Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today topic is importance of color in designing. I have divided it into three parts. In first two parts we will study color theory, and in third part we will study importance of color in design or use of color in designing. What is color theory? In this we will learn how to create and enhance designs according to the color theory. Color is the element of art that is produced when light striking an object is reflected to the eye. Color is the general term we use to describe every hue, tint, tone, or shade. We see white, black, and other colors. If color theory is simplified, it can be broken down into three parts: the color wheel, in which we study primary, secondary, and other colors. Color value means tint, tone, shades, and color schemes, different type of color schemes. What is pigment? The pigments are finely mild substances that provide the necessary colors to the painting. They are thus the main constituents of colors used in painting. They are the materials responsible for the color, which arise in the paints in the form of small particles bound together by the binder. There are two types of pigments: natural pigments and artificial pigments. A natural pigment is obtained directly from nature, being only subject to process of physical nature, separation and fine grinding. These can be of mineral origin, from earth and from rocks. The pigments can also have organic origin, vegetables or animals. These substances were mild to the consistency of a colored powder. The other one is artificial pigment. Artificial pigment is obtained through chemical reaction, either from simpler materials or by the decomposition of more complex materials. What is color wheel? The color wheel was developed by Sir Isaac Newton by taking the color spectrum and bending it into a circle. If you follow around the color wheel, you will find the same order of the color spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. A 12-section color wheel can be used to help describe the relationship between different colors when they are viewed together. Artists use these colors relationship to achieve different effects, such as dramatic contrast or colors that are visually appealing together. Each part of color theory builds on the previous understanding. Each section of color theory fully will help you better understand its importance in the creation of art. Color wheel is the basic theory of color represented in a circular form, in a circular wheel. Primary colors. The basis of all colors called the primary colors. These are red, yellow, and blue. They are called primary for a couple of reasons. First, no two colors can be mixed to create a primary color. In other words, primary colors can only be created through the use of natural pigments. Secondly, all other colors found on the color wheel can be created by mixing primary colors together. Secondary colors. How you understand? Orange, purple, yellow, all are secondary colors. Next one is tertiary colors. These are created by mixing equal parts of a secondary color and a primary color. Together they are 6 tertiary colors: red, purple, red, orange, blue, green, yellow, green, blue, purple, and yellow, orange. Notice that the proper way to refer to the tertiary colors is by listing the primary color first and the secondary color second. Complementary colors. Colors that sit opposite each other on the color wheel, for example, purple and yellow. Complementary colors will contrast greatly. Purple and yellow are opposite to each other. Split complementary, a color and the two colors either side of the complementary colors. Then analogous colors, any three colors which are side by side on a 12 section color wheel, such as yellow, green, yellow, and yellow, orange, these are analogous colors. Triadic colors, three colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel, that are triadic colors. They make triangle. Next one is tetradic colors or double complementary colors. These are also known as double complementary colors. Uses four colors together in the form of two sets of complementary colors. For example, blue and orange is paired with yellow and violet. You can see here on the left side two pair of colors. Monochromatic colors containing or using only one color, its tones and shades. You can see here different tones of yellow, red, blue, light, dark. These are monochrome colors. Neutral colors. Neutral colors are black, grey and white. We get tone tint shades by mixing of neutral colors. And in when you create monocolor scheme, the opposite of monocolor scheme is contrast colors. You use two different hues of colors for creating contrast colors. What is color temperature? Color temperature refers to the level of warmth contained within a color. Color can be categorized as warm or cool. Warm and cool colors will contrast well with each other. You can see here warm colors and cool colors such as red, yellow and orange evoke warmth because they remind us of things like sun or fire. And cool colors such as blue, green and purple evoke a cool feeling because they remind us of things like water or grass. These are also examples of warm and cool colors. Now students, you will make your own color wheel on a quarter sheet with poster colors and will create all these types of colors. This is your practical work. Thank you.